Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to create a folder and how to create a, file also using command, and we'll also delete those folder and delete those file using the command. So let's start it. Sorry. So go to your CMD. So where is our file? Actually my file is directed in D drive and Udemy Sass folder here. So at first we know that we have to select our drive. So we have selected our drive, then CD. Then I'm going to select our directory here from here. Sorry. Okay. So this is the directory I have selected. So let's go back to my directory, and this is my directory, you can see. And let me make like this so that you can understand easily. Let me cover it like this. Okay, so here actually you can see cd new. So this new folder is there, right? So I'm going to back the root directory cd dot slash. So right now I'm in here udemy css udemy Sass folder, and inside this folder I have another folder, this called new. So if I want to create another folder, say mkd make directory. Okay, we have to write mkd, that means make directory. Okay, let's give folder name is called website. So see, if I press enter, check here. Okay, right now we don't have any folder called website. So if I press enter, okay, so you can see website. Okay, so folder has been created. So again you can create mk dir new website, enter. Sorry. Okay, so clear the skin, mkdir something, say something. Okay, see, something has been created. Okay. So mkdir anything. Okay, anything folder has been created. So say right now I want to delete this folder. So for deleting these folders, you have to write rd. That means remove directory. Okay. Before removing the directory, I have to let me show you another thing. Is dir dir. So if I write dir means directory. So whatever files and folders are present in this directory, means this udemy Sass, it will show here. See, I think you can see anything. Let me see, anything new. Okay, something website. So all the directories I can see using this command d. Okay, so let me clear this screen, cls. So if I want to remove the directory, we have to write rd and then the folder name. Say I'm going to remove this one, new. So rd uh, new. Okay, okay, let me try again. Rd new, directory is not empty. Rd anything. Okay, so this directory is having some files inside, that's why it's not removing. Okay, so we'll solve it out in next class, how to remove this whole directory. Okay, so this one something is empty right now, right? So we'll remove this one. Okay, so rd something, you can see it's removed. So we will remove this one also, website rd website. Okay, so let's make another info. So we know how to create a directory, how to remove the directory. Okay, so how to create a file actually. Okay, so to create a file, say I'm going to create a file called index.html. So in this case you have to write copy con. Okay, copy con, then your file name index.html. See here, index.html file is not there. So if I press enter, so nothing is happened here, see. And this this is still working. Okay, so if you press again enter, then see index.html. So you can see no paths or no directory is showing like this. So this cursor is still blinking. So in this case you have to stop this operation. So to stop this operation you have to press command C. Okay, see, now this is stop. So again, if I want to create another file called style.css, right, copy con. Okay, style.css. So if I press enter, nothing will be happen here. So I have to press enter again. Okay, now style.css file has been created, but operation is still going on. So in this case we have to cancel this operation again. So to cancel this operation we have to press command C. So see, operation has been cancelled. So we have created our file. So how to delete this file? To delete this file we have to write del. Okay, uh, we have to write the file name. So suppose I'm going to delete this index.html. So write index.html. So index.html has gone. So again del style.css. Okay, so style.css has been deleted. So till now we have learned so many commands. Do practice. Okay, if you have any questions and answer, if you have any questions, just write questions in question section. I will answer that. Thank you.